Have you ever wondered how to care for your orchids properly? Whether it's a Phalaenopsis or a Cattleya, orchid care might be easier than you think. Orchids, with their enchanting beauty, require thoughtful attention. Let's dive into the easy-to-follow steps to care for your beautiful orchids. First off, understanding your orchid's needs is vital. Orchids, like all living things, have basic needs: light, temperature, water, and humidity. These radiant beauties need bright but indirect light to thrive. They prefer a comfortable room temperature, and they love their water, but not too much. Humidity is another friend of theirs, but remember, each orchid type may have its own unique requirements. So, do a little research on your specific orchid type. Now that you understand your orchid's needs, we can move on to the practical steps of caring. Now let's get our hands dirty with some practical steps. Orchid care begins with repotting, which is best done soon after you bring your new orchid home. Use bark or sphagnum moss, ensuring the roots have room to breathe. Watering should be done sparingly, once a week at most, and only when the potting medium is dry. For feeding, use a balanced orchid fertilizer every 2 weeks, but remember to water first to avoid root burn. Dealing with pests is a necessary evil in orchid care. Keep an eye out for signs of infestations and use insecticidal soap or neem oil as needed. A few tricks of the trade include using cinnamon as a natural fungicide and ice cubes for controlled watering. Remember, patience is key when it comes to orchid care. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's summarize. We've explored the unique needs of orchids, from the light-loving Phalaenopsis to the high-humidity Cattleyas, and underscored the importance of understanding your orchid's specific needs. We've also walked through the practical steps of caring for these stunning plants, including watering, feeding, and providing the right environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! Happy